huge, larger than life umbrella.
as a metaphor for protection.
Since our childhood, we all know the umbrella is the thing which protects us from the weather.
Nerolac is a challenger brand, and we have always tried to give a different thing to our customers, to our consumers. So with this ad, again, it's a new thing that we are trying to do.
I think what's more important is, does it really communicate the essence of what we want to say?
So the brief that came to us was that, this is a Excel paint which is with a weather defense formula.
Which ensures that in any kind of weather, this paint will withstand.
I think the new shoot and the new ad campaign that we're starting for Nerolac is extremely nice. The concept being that if you don't use Nerolac on the exterior walls of your houses or your buildings, then you need something else, as silly, as stupid, as gigantic as perhaps an umbrella to save you from the effects of weather.
One of the fun part of the film is to shoot dub the SRK in Malayalam. I think he did into the Hindi and English many times, and he's just so perfect. But making into the Malayalam dub is a big challenge.
The movie is about how people experience to see the real umbrella.
I think it's very difficult to shoot this ad. When you see the ad, you have this huge umbrella, like gigantic umbrella, all over, roaming around in different parts of India.
I think I'll just go to faint. But I think it's been beautiful and tough and very hectic so far.
Both Kerala and Jodhpur are beautiful places. They are beautiful to shoot. But more than that, they fit it into our scheme of things because we want to show extreme weather. Jodhpur has extreme, heat and sun, and Kerala has extreme rainfall.
The way we've shot it is in a very, very fluid manner. We're not pointing out at scenes or composing the shot.
And we tried with the photography, the art direction, to keep it all real and suddenly put a giant umbrella over there.
Nerolac is partly Shah Rukh, and Shah Rukh is Nerolac, and association with the kind of personality which we wanted, which we selected very carefully, it is rubbing off both ways.
Now when I see paint, I just don't think of colors, I think of the stuff that has gone into it, and that's what I keep discussing when I come to shoot. So it's been a great association, to participate in the kind of innovation and evolution they're bringing about in paint technology.